In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in or sign up on Coursera, whether you're looking to broaden your skills, explore new fields, or simply continue your educational journey. Getting access to Coursera is your first step. We'll go through this process together, so let's start by navigating to the primary website. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and enter coursera.org into the address bar. Once you hit enter, you should be on Coursera's homepage, which acts as your gateway to an entire world of knowledge. Next, to create your account, locate and click the Join for Free button. You'll typically find this prominently displayed on the homepage. It's the big invitation card to start your Coursera experience at no initial cost. By joining now, you're opening doors to thousands of courses from top universities and companies worldwide. After clicking Join for Free, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and will have the option to click Continue. Alternatively, if you'd like to speed up the process, you can select Continue with Google, which is a breeze if you're already using Google services. Just make sure the email you choose to use is one that you regularly check, as Coursera will communicate with you regarding your courses and any important updates through this email. Once you proceed with entering or selecting your email, you'll be asked to fill in more details. This involves typing in your email address again, along with your full name and a password that you will use to log into Coursera once your account is set up. Then, simply click on Join for Free again. A quick tip: ensure your password is both secure and memorable, combining uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for a strong defense against unauthorized access. After successfully creating your account, there might be a couple of questions waiting for you. This quick questionnaire helps in finalizing your curated recommendations on Coursera, tailoring your homepage view, and course suggestions based on your interests. Take a moment to consider your educational goals, as your answers will optimize your experience. When you're done, you're not just ready to start a course, you're embarking on a journey of learning and discovery at your own pace. And there you have it. You've just completed the process of signing up on Coursera and are ready to dive into your first course. Enjoy exploring the vast array of subjects and enjoy your learning journey. Keep in mind that every click and choice you make from this point on enriches your skill set and broadens your horizon, opening up countless opportunities for personal and professional growth. Happy learning!